Hi, and welcome to Rainbow Unicorn Cat 1 channel. I could not believe my eyes when I found this My Life as set at my local Walmart. I already told you many times that our Walmart doesn't get things early. We usually get them when everybody else got them weeks ago. Anyway, it was there. It's called Snoopy Roller Skating Playset, and the price was about $11. And by the way, if you are new to this channel and interested in All American Girl or other 18-inch doll related content, but not yet subscribed to our channel, I definitely recommend subscribing. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. I'm filming this video in the morning, and that's why you see this yellowish tint. It's the sun. Right there on top, it says Snoopy Roller Skating Playset, and you can see a picture of Snoopy next to it. I'm really hoping to get more Peanuts set. I think this is such a cute idea. And wouldn't it be so great to have a Charlie Brown doll like they made a Grinch doll last year? Let me know in the comments if that's something you'd like to purchase if My Life has made it. I think that would be a really good seller for them. I think this is a really good start for a Peanut collab, and I'm hoping there are more sets coming. Just judging from the past, they're usually more than one set. In this particular set, I'm really excited about the belt bag and the hat. And I'm not sure if this is a belt bag or a fanny pack, which, let's face it, kind of the same thing. And I used to be very anti-fanny packs, but now I kind of love them. And I love how you can wear them on your chest or on your back as a crossbody. I think that's a really cool look. Anyway, your doll can join you if you like them. This is just a pouch with a zipper. The print on this pouch is super cute. There's Snoopy wearing headphones, and there's tiny little Woodstock next to him, and it says ooh la la. The bag has a zipper and is fully functional, and there's a Peanuts label on the inside. This is a really cute belt bag. There's a buckle on the belt, and the strap is adjustable. That way, you can have your doll wear it on her waist or crossbody style. I just can't get over how cute this print is. Oh, and let me know in the comments if you're a Peanuts fan. Now let's take out that bucket hat. It seems to me that bucket hats became fashionable again after the Emily in Paris series. Let me know if you think the same. Anyway, oh, the socks, by the way, there will be holes in those socks. I'm not going to show them in this video. I didn't film it, but there are holes. So here's the hat. Such a cute print. First of all, Woodstock is so adorable, and there's an extra square on the front that's sewn onto the hat, and the print is cute, and the colors are also nice. It's purple. The majority of the hat is purple, and Woodstock is in two colors, pink or blue. So, and there's a square on the front that features him in his original yellow color. Next is what? The socks. Yeah, let's take a look at the socks. Like I said, there are those little plastic things that go through the socks to attach them to the plastic packaging. And when you remove them, there are holes left. And sometimes those holes kind of fill in when you move, a piece of clothing around. And they close, but not with these socks, unfortunately. That's my biggest complaint about this set. The scrunchie is cute, it's functional, stretchy. It's enough material to go twice around a doll's ponytail. The print is very similar to the print on the hat, except the colors are slightly different. The background is blue and Woodstock is pink or purple. It's a nice scrunchie. No issues with it whatsoever. Super cute, like my number 3 favorite item from this set. And now we are moving to the socks, which are very cute, but like I said, they have some issues. This sock has Snoopy's face on the bottom, so when your doll wears it, it should look like it's a Snoopy's head. I guess it's a cute idea. I don't know if it works that well in real life. And there's Woodstock on the side of the sock. You see they are kind of symmetrical. Like I said, not happy with the material, feels very cheap. This is a small charm that can be used with a belt bag or with a water bottle, or even to attach the water bottle to the belt bag. It's plastic and looks pretty durable as far as plastic things go. Now let's take a look at these adorable sunglasses. I just love Snoopy. Aww, look how cute he is. So adorable. Here's a water bottle. I like how it spells love, and each letter is made out of Peanuts characters. This is just so cute. With items like this, I always wonder if the bottle can be opened and filled with something like actual water. So we're gonna try and twist the top. Is it gonna work? I don't know. Oh yeah, it is. I don't really think you can fill it with something, but you can open it, definitely. And your doll can hold it with that yellow loop that comes from the top around the bottleneck. Okay, these are so cute. They are plastic. These are roller skates, and they feature this very Charlie Brown design. It's kind of drawn with a marker. There is a cut on the back of the roller skates to make it easier to put them on a doll. I think they're cute. They're plastic, but they are adorable. Here is everything that came in the set for $11 plus tax. I think this is a fabulous deal. As always, if you're a Peanuts fan, you're probably going to get it. The fanny pack, the hat, and the scrunchie are my favorites from the set. And of course, the sunglasses with Snoopy are also super cute. You know, everything's nice. I like everything about this set. The quality, of course, does not compare with American Girl brand, but hey, for $11, this is great, especially if you're a Peanuts fan. And now let me show you two looks that I've created. As a base, I used an outfit from Our Generation, and this one features the sunglasses and the belt bag that's worn as a belt bag. And for this look, my doll is wearing the belt bag as a crossbody, which I think is a really cute look too. Anyway, let me know in the comments what you think about this set. Let me know if you got one, if you're planning to get it, if you like Peanuts. Whatever you want to say, just drop me a comment below. That's it for today. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please press the like button. And if you enjoy all American Girl content but not yet subscribed to our channel, you should definitely do so. And if you turn on the notification bell, YouTube will always let you know when we upload a new video. We post all the latest American Girl news, crafts, and unboxing. We post every Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, and Sunday, but sometimes we post on other days as well. Thanks for watching and see you next time.